How to get double XP on Duolingo. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be telling you guys a few ways to get double XP in Duolingo so that you can make your progress a bit faster. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you would need to do is open up your Duolingo and make sure that you are logged into your account. So there are quite a few ways to get your double XP, which will help you boost up your progress. And the first one is to complete the crown lessons. So as you can see here, these are the normal lessons, and right besides here, you'll find these kind of crowned lessons. And you can play it for 100 gems. Now, once you do that, once you complete these lessons, you will get a certain time double XP, and within that time, if you complete any lessons, you will get double the experience that you normally get. Now, the second method is to actually get an early bird reward, which is you have to complete your lessons between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. And if you are one of those people who compete on the leaderboard of Duolingo, and if you secure a certain position on the leaderboard, you can also get a certain reward boost. Now, if you complete your lessons between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m., you will get a 15 minutes of XP boost, and within those 15 minutes, whichever lessons you complete, you will be able to gain double the XP of what you would normally get. So that's how you get double XP in Duolingo. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.